Let me tell you. You my little boo thing, so I'll give a hoot what you do say, girl, I know you.
Hello, my name is Oni and I'm a travel content creator from Indonesia. Today we are at the viral natural water slide near Tiu Keleb waterfall in Lombok. I'm going to show you how I use the Insta360 Go 3 to create my viral video. Go 3 is perfect for capturing tunnel shots like this. It is lightweight, portable, and the magnetic mount design make it very easy to carry with you. It can easily capture hands-free POV shots at 2.7 key. It is rugged and waterproof up to 5 meters, so you don't have to worry at all. Now let us take some incredible shots. In today's video, I'm going to show you the camera setting I'll be using. I've set it to free frame video mode with a resolution of 1440p and a smooth frame rate of 50 fps. And to make the visuals pop, I've applied the vivid color filter. And this is how I make a video on a natural water slide. Step 1. Take your camera from the port and attach it to the necklace mount like this. Step 2. Tighten the necklace mount so that it is closer to your neck. Having it nearer, make it easier to manage. Step 3. Place the wall Insta360 Go 3 between your chin and your chest. You don't have to squeeze it too hard. Focus the camera to face the front. Make sure your Insta360 Go 3 is already recording before you slide down. Just look out for the red light over here. So, let's dive right in. Let's see what kind of viral footage we can get. Once you've finished shooting, you can easily export your footage using the Insta360 app. You can change the highest resolution to 1440p with 50 fps and 100 mbps. You can also customize the aspect ratio by choosing either 16:9 horizontal or 9:16 vertical to match your preferred social platform. Then click export and here's the final result.
Let me tell you. You my little boo thing, so I'll give a hoot what you do say, girl, I know you a little too tame. I'll be shooting that shot like 2K, girl, I know. Tell him I'm next. Tell him you find a little something too fresh, I know. Tell him I'm next. Tell him you find a little something too fresh, I know.
And here it is. See how easy you can create your own 70 million view short with Insta360 Go 3. If you like this video, give a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment below, and I'll catch you up with the next viral content with all of you here. Peace!
Let me tell you. You my little boo thing, so I'll give a hoot what you do say, girl, I know.